How to blow up a microwave 101.
Our tools for today is a microwave,
Big old stick,
tin foil,
and a big old jug of gasoline.
and maybe some grass.
Here's what happens.
First step, open the microwave.
Then, take your stack of grass. 2, if you want. Then, put it in the microwave.
Fill this sucker up.
Pack it down real nice, but a little loose yet too.
Yep. Right, you're in that shot. Looks about good. Yep. Then, fill it up with gas.
Alright kids, don't try this at home. Gas kills. Nice and easy.
Easy does it, Justin. Easy does it.
Looks about right. A little on the side and we'll never hurt anyone.
Next, throw the tin foil in.
Now, light it up. Then, plug it in. You guys.